Micron game plan this morning. I made it red. Micron was one of our leading winners. Last year, Micron returned over 240%. It was our biggest winner from Tenet investing list, returned over 240% for the investors and over 300% at one time in the year. So anyway, there was an upgrade from Bernstein. There was some other notes as well on the memory. They say the memory is going to be in high demand in 2026. So that's why my plan was to long it as long as 512 holds. Over 294, we will long it. So you see it holding 294, you long it, breaking the pre-market highs, you long it. So as soon as I saw breaking out, I told the traders, take a long. If you missed it, you can watch the pullbacks. Otherwise, take a starter small size. From that, Micron call at 935, 300 was your risk. You're risking $2 or less. And once we broke out, I gave the target of 308. Next target I gave was 3010. We hit the 3010 target. I took all the profits of 3010. Usually I don't because the market was a little heavy. But a lot of the traders were holding it because our rule is we do not sell as long as the 512 holds. So what we did was we took the pullbacks to the 512 clouds. We held the 512 clouds. That was the curl. And I told the traders that is a 512 curl, and we are going to push higher if 310 breaks. And from that 512 curls, we were back at the highs. I said 310 level breaks, we see higher, we move the stops to 308, and the next target I gave was 315. So from 310 breakout, we hit our 315 target. So huge breakout. You need to look at the daily chart as well. It was just the best name in the market today. So look at this daily chart. It's breaking the all-time high breakout. This is a beautiful A plus setup, all-time high breakout, 300 psychological level breakout, pre-market planning, bullish news, everything A plus, beautiful trade. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you trade these setups. If you're further away from the cloud, you at least start a smaller position. BE is one of my favorite stocks. When I saw that a lot of the AI names are strong, my first thing was to look at BE. And a lot of my traders already know that BE is one of our top focus investment names as well. And also Navy was on top of it, and Day Tradesman, who was big on that as well. So BE was a big one for us. So as soon as I saw that, I told the traders that BE curl versus 90.50. So you put your stops at 90.50, 946 was the time. You long it right here, this candle at 92s or whatever. It's going to be like $2 risk for you. As it started to move up, we moved the stops to 92. The target I gave was these MTF clouds. First MTF cloud and the second MTF cloud, and we moved the stops up, and then we hit 98.50. We did exit it when it broke this down, but it reclaimed the cloud. So you see that that was over 93 to all the way to 98. There was a $5 per share trade. The risk was $1.50. So one risk is giving you back 3 reward. So that was our trade in BE. Next one, we're going to look at BABA and BIDU. BABA ran from MTF to the MTF, and BIDU. BIDU was a long right here when its second candle curled. That was your long. I told the trader it's a gap and go. BIDU 512 curls, pre-market highs, pushes higher. BABA pre-market highs, long it, put your stop right under here at the MTF clouds. You have like a dollar risk, and it ran to 156. You got $3. That was my guidance on BABA and BIDU, gap and go.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.